It was great. We had a lot of fun. We learned some techniques and discussed Abhinaya. I got to see this very classic, iconic dance come to life in different bodies, and everybody was equally graceful. And yeah, we just had a lot of fun.
What did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed the most seeing. So, this is a dance choreography that we both grew up watching. So, it was great to see this being done in different bodies, how they interpreted it, the way they expressed it in through their abhinaya. It was so mesmerizing to see each one take their own take on it. So, that was great. And yeah.
Yes, it's better, yeah.
Because I was dancing after a lot of years, and this was just so great.
What did you feel while dancing?
I feel so happy, and I can remember the old good days. And I always have this. I was afraid to dance again because I thought I lost my grace. But attending this session, it really helped me a lot, and I got a feeling that I can dance again.
It's dancing your greatest passion?
Yes, it is like a dream which was left in halfway of my life. So now I can fulfill my dream.
Well done. It's dancing your greatest passion?
Yes. Like I have learned like classical dance since I'm 3 years old. I learned so after coming here. So I thought like I lost everything, but they give me like this wonderful opportunity where I can feel myself. Thank you.
Okay. So, what did you feel while dancing?
Just like I mentioned, I feel myself like something valuable. Like I love dancing more than anything. It makes me more happy.
I was really in need of this session, and I had a long break from dancing, so it was really, really refreshing. Thank you to Alpha and Anshika. Yeah, Anshika.
Yes, for me also it was very rejuvenating because it's been very long since I've danced for semi-classical, and I'm not a trained like classical dancer, so this was very refreshing for me. And the best part is like expressing, the dance form, and the feeling it, and the song, the lyrics, and with Alpha and Ashika, it's like a icing on the cake. So thanks to Alpha and Ashika for conducting this. And the best part was dancing with Stephen also. Like so it was like a new, like a fresh page added for 2026. So, and that too on Women's Day. It's a great start. So thank you, Alpha and Ashika. Thanks. For me, like personally, the difficult part is like every time is the memory thing, like memory muscles. It is very hard to grasp memory muscles. So to keep the memory, that which is my fault. So which I need to train myself. So that was the hardest part. But apart from that, it was like beautiful.
So when hearing all these words from these girls, I'm really happy, and I know that Ashika, my partner, like my best friend, is also happy. I mean, it's just when we were actually planning for this session, we were like really confused. We were like, will people come, or are people interested in even in semi-classical dance? But these girls have proven it wrong, and we are so happy, and we are so like grateful for this session, and for them to come and attend on the session. And one of the main thing that we wanted is that it's not something serious, but then to be fun, like women be together, and then be part of a group, and then they can express however they want. It's not like, okay, I'm not really good with it. It's not like that. It's like, it's okay, no one cares. It's like you can be yourself and be happy, be positive, and express yourself. That was the main intent of this session, and I'm really happy that it worked. And we are hoping to conduct more sessions. So yeah.
Of being a good dancer?
um I don't know, do we have a secret? Maybe if you're interested in it, that's main thing. Like if you're passionate about it, go for it. And no one becomes perfect without practice, so keep do practicing. It's like practice and consistency makes people better. So definitely do practice, be consistent. Even if you make mistake, it's okay. Don't be so hard on yourself. Try again, and then you can be a good dancer. That's the message. Be consistent, practice, try again. Even if you fail, it's okay. Try again, and you'll succeed one day. Yeah.
We are having a great time over here and also like a happy dance. So definitely we want you to join again for the classes like in the future. And again, like on Instagram, there is Ashika and Alpha to make you dance, to make you learn new things, new stuffs, new styles, and majorly on semi classical. And more above all, it's like expressing yourself, which is the best part. Being a woman, that is the best first thing that should come across. So they are doing fantastic in that one. So definitely we are happy after this workshop. So definitely you will also be happy and like overwhelmed with the style they are conducting on. So definitely come join their classes. That's the thing I want to convey. Like for them also maybe the same thing. Yes.
I would say keep dancing and keep leaving. To dance is to leave. For me, for everybody, if you are in doubt, just dance it out. And we will be waiting for the next notification of the dance workshop. Thank you.
So I have seen many people who were telling that it's too late. Now we have to focus on family, work, and all. But what I have to say is that it is never too late to start. Your dream is your signature. So in the end, what matters is we should be happy. So go for it. Don't think that it is late. It is never too late. So for myself, when I dance, I'll forget everything, like every people or every struggle and sorry.
It's okay. Now continue.
So when I dance, I forgot everything, every struggles, every pain. So just let's dance and feel yourself. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much. And we're going to wait for you in a month, right? Okay.